So hello everyone, we are doing the sixth Maths Lab activity for class 9. It is the diagonals of the parallelogram. The aim of the activity is to show that the diagonals of the parallelogram divided into two congruent triangles by paper cutting and pasting. The pre-acquired knowledge is first the concept of the parallelogram and its construction, and second the concept of congruent triangles. So the material required, we need the colored sheets, fevistick, scissors, pencil, ruler, protractor and the pencil box. They're all shown here. Let me demonstrate the activity to you.
So once again, I have made two parallelograms exactly the same way using the protractor, ruler and the origami sheets. I have made the two identical parallelograms, and what is the first step? I will paste the first parallelogram on a sheet of paper. I mark the vertices A, B, C and vertex D. Once all the four vertices have been marked, I just make any one of the diagonals. Let's say I am making the diagonal AC. Okay, so this is going to be the first figure. The second figure, I do the same thing with the parallelogram here, and I make the diagonal AC here also. Let me do the labeling inside this so that it becomes easy for me to understand it later. This was vertex D, so I marked this as vertex D. This was the vertex B. Then this was A. And this was C. Alright, this will also be the vertex A. This will also be the vertex C. So I'm going to cut it along the diagonal AC. Okay. So I've just cut out along the diagonal here like this. Now what do I want to prove? I want to prove that the diagonal divides the parallelogram into two congruent triangles. Means that these two triangles that have been formed should be congruent. So if I put one triangle on the other, it is completely superimposing the other triangle. The vertex A coincides with the vertex C. Vertex B is coinciding with the vertex D. Vertex C coincides with the vertex A. Triangle A, B, C will be coming congruent to triangle C, D, A here.
So let's see the pasting work. This is the figure 1 and the figure 2. In the figure 1, what do we have? We have the parallelogram, wherein I have joined point A and C to get the diagonal AC. In the second figure, I have cut this parallelogram along AC to get two triangles. I paste the triangle ABC first, and on top of that, I paste the triangle CDA, and you will find that triangle CDA completely superimposes triangle ABC, showing that they are congruent to each other. So the observation is, we observe that the two triangles cover each other exactly, which shows that the two triangles are congruent to each other. And we conclude that from this activity that the diagonals of the parallelogram divide it into two congruent triangles. So I hope the activity is clear to you. Watch the video again to understand better, and don't miss to see the link of the playlist of all the 10 activities of class 9.
In the comments of this video, you will find it.
I hope you've liked all the videos. Thank you so much once again. Do subscribe to the channel in case you've still not done. Thank you so much.